Hi, Agent Bosco here, broker with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. I'm so excited to show you this beautiful, professionally renovated unit overlooking Bloor Street. When I say renovated, I mean everything was stripped to the studs and concrete.
Rosedale Glen is located in the Yorkville neighborhood, with Yonge and Bloor a few blocks east, where you'll find high-fashion glitz and glamour. From boutique shops to world-class luxury brands, from hip restaurants to trendy bars and Four Seasons 5-star hotel, there's truly no other place like it. This expansive 2-bedroom plus solarium 1,900 square foot unit is renovated top to bottom. From the moment you step inside, you'll instantly be impressed by the suite's high-end finishes, which include floor-to-ceiling windows, Brazilian slate tile flooring, marble bathroom, LED lighting, and custom-built closet organizers throughout. In addition, the suite boasts European-style kitchen with eat-in island, quartz countertops, stylish backsplash, pantry, wine fridge, and a large breakfast area. Huge open concept living room and dining room with custom-built cabinetry and floor-to-ceiling windows are an entertainer's dream. Large solarium with south views is a perfect space for an office. One of the highlights of the suite is a large primary bedroom with a marble bathroom boasting double vanity, rain shower, heated towel rack, and a walk-in dressing area. Resort-style amenities are designed for a lifestyle that Rosedale and Yorkville residents seek and include 24-hour concierge, fitness center with gym, indoor pool, hot tub, party room with wraparound terrace overlooking Rosedale Valley, a popular tree-filled spot perfect for jogging or a bike ride. 278 Bloor Street East is in between two subway stations, making it easy to travel throughout the entire GTA with quick access to the Don Valley Parkway, Highway 401, and the Gardiner Expressway.